Hi guys! In this video I will show you how to create these fierce side cornrows with the ponytail. First, I'm beginning with the partings. This is very important part of this hairstyle, and to be honest there's a lots of partings. So first I create the side section that's a bit curvy from front to back like this. Then I put the rest of the hair away, and now I create the parting for the first braid. So this is curvy parting that goes on the shape. It kind of frames the side parting. Then I spray some water and start the braid from the front. I take 3 strands of hair and start to move them from side, under to the middle, and adding hair from the both sides of the braid. I create this braid first because I think it makes so much easier making the partings for the rest of the braids. You will see soon what I mean. So braid, bringing strands from sides under to the middle and adding hair from the both sides of the braid. This braid is pretty small, so it's not a big problem if you don't have enough hair to add every single time, but remember to do it symmetrical so the braid will stay in the middle of the parting but also grow symmetrically. Especially when you get to the back where the braid turns to downwards, it's important to add hair. If not every time, at least most of the times, because otherwise the braid doesn't follow the parting very easily. Once you added all the hair from the parting inside the braid, continue braiding without addings. Personally, I braid until the end of the hair, but that's totally up to you. Now I create the rest of the partings, and basically I part in sections the side that leaves under the braid. And as you can see, there are like some slices. They are wider from the top and thinner from below. And next I will part similar way some hair from top of the braid. So check out always the size of the parting below, because these must have the same wide as the sections that comes from below the braid. So I put all the rest away, and then I take 2 frontmost pieces and start braiding from below above my ear, taking again 3 strands of hair and moving them from side under to the middle and adding hair from the both sides of the braid. So right under, add hair, left under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, and keep on repeating in this way until you added the section that is parted below the braid, the first braid, into the braid. And once you've done that, braid for a while without adding more hair. Now you can see when I stop adding. So now I just braid without addings over the parting braid that I created the first. So measure between the stitches that where's the right point to start adding again, so you don't miss that, and then add in the small piece above the first braid. And once I've added the hair in, I keep on braiding until I can make sure that the braid will reach inside the braid I will create later on top. Then I do the same with the second, check from above and below, and I start from below, taking again 3 strands and bringing them from side alternately under to the middle and adding hair from the both sides of the braid. Again, once you added all the hair from below to the braid, keep on braiding without adding more hair, so you can cross the first braid and then add some hair from the other side. And all you need to do is repeat the same process with every pair of the hair strands, so every time some hair above and below, and braid them together, creating a cornrows like this. I don't show every braid because you would just bore to death. So here you can see how the cornrows look after braiding all them together. Pretty nice already. So what I do next is I'm going to create a dot braid on top. So I take some hair from the front, taking 3 strands, and then I start to move them from side alternately under to the middle and adding hair from the both sides of the braid. So right under, add hair, left under, add hair, again right under, add hair, left under, add hair, and it's important to notice that on the left side I add hair only from the top piece. So basically I don't add hair from the left side of my head. In the beginning I take only hair from the top, and now when I'm about the highest point of my head, I start to add also from the left side. And this side I take 1 braid every time in and some extra hair from that side. And again left some hair, and from the right the braid, but also some extra hair. I also want to create this top braid very big and more voluminous, so that's why I pancake the braid already while still braiding. I will pancake that more when the braid is finished. And basically just continue it like this until you reach the point where you want the ponytail to be. And here you can see the file. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you would like to see more hairstyles, check out my Instagram account, my hairstyle exo, where I post daily my hairstyles, videos and much more. Thank you for watching and have a great day.